Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. Students, in this video I will talk about an amino acid metabolism disorder which is called the phenylketonuria. It is the metabolic disorder of the metabolism of the phenylalanine. In this video content I will try to cover up the disorder, the causes, symptoms, diagnosis and a few treatment measurements of the phenylketonuria. So let's start. Phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is a clinical condition in which the phenylalanine, an amino acid, accumulates in the body due to the defect in the conversion of the phenylalanine to the tyrosine. So, in phenylketonuria, the phenylalanine cannot be converted to the tyrosine, due to which the phenylalanine build up in the body. Phenylketonuria is abbreviated as the PKU and it is also called the phenylalanine hydroxylase deficiency. Now, if we talk about the cause of the phenylketonuria, we will find it is a rare inherited disorder caused by the defect in the gene that helps to create an enzyme needed to break down the phenylalanine. This enzyme is the phenylalanine hydroxylase. When the body deficient of this enzyme, when the enzyme is deficient in the body cannot break down the phenylalanine to the tyrosine. This results in the phenylalanine build up in the body. Then this increased amount of the phenylalanine is converted to the other compounds such as phenylketones. This increased phenylalanine also damage the nerve cells in the brain. The phenylketones which give the urine a musty disorder, a dangerous accumulation of the phenylalanine when someone eats high protein foods such as meat. In a person of the phenylketonuria, the defective gene causes a lack of the deficiency of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, which is needed to process the phenylalanine to the tyrosine. So, the cause of the phenylketonuria is that it is due to the deficiency of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. That is why it is also called the phenylalanine hydroxylase deficiency. Symptoms. Symptoms of the phenylketonuria. The PKU signs and symptoms can be mild or severe. The most severe form of the phenylketonuria is known as the classic phenylketonuria. The mild or moderate form of this disorder is called the variant PKU. As in this case, the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme retains some function, so phenylalanine levels are not as high. So this is not so much damage of the brain cells. In the mild or moderate form of the phenylketonuria, tetrahydrobiopterin is deficient. Now the symptoms of the phenylketonuria includes the musty odor in the urine, which is due to the high phenylketones. The phenylacetic acid excreted as the phenylketones, the phenylacetyl glutamate, which produces the musty odor in the urine. The neurological problems, that may be the seizures, the increased level of the phenylalanine in the blood, as normally it is 1 to 2 mg%, but in case of the phenylketonuria it increases up to 15 to 16 mg%. The irreversible brain damage and the skin rashes also involved in the symptoms of the phenylketonuria. The irreversible brain damage and the intellectual disabilities, the delayed development or the stunted growth, hyperactivity of the body, the emotional and the behavioral problems also involved in the signs and symptoms of the phenylketonuria. Diagnosis. How we diagnose the phenylketonuria in a person? By estimation of the plasma phenylalanine level. By estimation of plasma phenylalanine level, the screening test, which is also performed for the presence of the phenyl pyruvate with the FeCl3 in urine. And number last is the treatment, how we treat the disorder of the phenylalanine metabolism, the phenylketonuria. The treatment of the phenylketonuria involves the diet with low level of the phenylalanine. The tyrosine constitutes as an essential amino acid. The tyrosine taken up is also lower the chances of the phenylketonuria. So this is all about the phenylketonuria, which is a inherited rare disorder of the metabolism of the phenylalanine. Thank you very much.